And we are back with another video, and today we're going to be breaking down how you can order DTF transfers from our website. First thing you're going to want to do is go to our website, 3T Print Solutions. There are a few different tabs you could click, but the easiest is going to be right over here where it says order DTF transfers. Yeah, you have a few different options, but our main focus is going to be the Hot Peel DTF transfers, which is the gang sheet builder. And when it comes to picking a size, it doesn't have to be too specific, because when you put the order in and you build out the gang sheet, it will automatically calculate how much footage you're going to be occupying, and you'll see how much it'll cost you. So you want to click build a bundle sheet. And if you wonder why we use the word bundle sheet instead of gang sheet, because gang sheet sounds a bit negative, and we just want to keep things clean and PG, and we don't want people getting things confused. So now we're going to go upload a design. I'll just use the one that we just worked on in the other video. Big shout out to Volar for letting us use this design for an example. So now that I've uploaded the design, I need to know how many am I going to have. Let's say we're going to put an estimate for, let's say I need about 7. I need 7 designs. So right here is where you're going to input your quantities at. Over here, you're going to adjust your height and your width. So for this one, he's requested that we make it 16 inches wide. So that's the size we will be doing. But it can be whatever size to whatever your likeness is. Over here, we have a background remove button. So let's say you uploaded a design that has a background, you can remove it directly from the website. Also, the upscale button allows for you to upscale your image if the resolution is low, or if the quality of the image is not where it needs to be, or even the sizing. You can get that created and done in the software. So you'll click apply. And once you click apply, you'll see that you have them already built out. So when it comes to the auto nesting feature, it will automatically place the designs in the perfect amount of space that it needs to go in. Now my computer is acting a little weird, but you can still see where the boxes are. That's where the design is taking up space. And so I want to take the attention to put it over to the left side, and this is where you're going to find your image details. So that's going to include the width, the height, the aspect ratio. So if you're needing to have specific dimensions for your transfers, that's when you can unlock the aspect ratio, and then you can edit to whatever your needs are. Okay, and then we're going to lock that back whenever we're done. Over here we have the margins. So this right here is the margin space in between each design. Then you have different edits, such as changing the image color. You can increase the contrast, the brightness, whatever you would need to do to edit your image. Some of the features up here, you have, if you need to rotate the image, you can use this left or right to rotate it whichever way you need to. If you need to adjust the placement of the design wherever you need to, you can use these buttons as such, and you can press Command Z to go back. Everything is pretty self-explanatory. Now, if you're in a situation where you've already built out a gang sheet and saved it but did not place an order for it, you can click open from previous designs, and then you can check and see some of the ones that have been saved on your account, whether it's in there or it's archived. And that, I believe, covers everything. Next thing you're going to want to do is hit save. It'll give you a few check boxes, making sure there are no overlapping images, no low resolution images, or nothing overlapping the artboard. And we're just going to name this Volar gang sheet, and we're going to hit add to cart and exit. And once that is fulfilled, it will take you to the checkout screen. And once you get to the checkout screen, you can then hit checkout and purchase your DTF transfers. So for the one that was 120 inches, which is 10 feet, it charged $100. So that's about what you're looking to spend on the DTF transfers. If you have any more questions, feel free to let us know. Shoot us a text, an email, DM us on Instagram at Triple T Print, and we'll love to help you out.